channel, and this video you guys asked for. I was kind of blown away from the response of everyone actually wanting to see this video and requesting this video, so thank you. So last month I posted a video using the Dyson Airwrap. Now that took me about 40 minutes to get my hair and my curls all done. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair using this curling wand. I got this one from Numi, and I got this like probably a decade ago. It's so old, but like she lasted long. So yes, today I'm going to be showing you how I get my everyday curls. Normally it takes me less than 10 minutes, so it's very quick and very different from when I use the Airwrap. So let's get started. So I've already done this, but the first thing you should definitely do is brush your hair. I always brush my hair out just because I find it easier to, you know, pull apart the pieces that I need to do my curls. So the next thing you want is a scrunchie. You are going to take your hair and you're gonna put it into a very high ponytail. Give me one sec. You do want it to kind of be as neat as possible. And then where I'm putting it, excuse my high forehead, I know. It's literally gonna go like right in the center of your head. At the very top, Like you're trying to be a unicorn. Like so. Giving me, you know, Ariana Grande vibes. I actually didn't put my wand on. That's another way of making it go faster. But yeah, so basically what you're gonna do is split your hair into two sections, looking like this. I don't know why, but it reminds me of a Pokemon. So now that you have your two pieces, let's start on one side. Normally each side of my ponytail will be about like 4 or 5 curls, depending on how curly you want or how big your barrel is. Yes, it might take a little bit longer, or you might need more curls. I usually do about 4 or 5 on each side, and I break it into pieces about this big. That helps. Obviously, the more amount of hair that you're gonna put into a curl, it's gonna take longer to hold heat. So usually if you're gonna put more, I put about 10 seconds. Like this might be like 20 seconds to hold. That's how long I normally hold them for. The thicker that I go, I add another 10 seconds. Let's get to it. And I'm just wrapping, it looks like I'm wrapping it towards my face, but when you actually put the curl, like when the curl comes out, the curl is moving away from your face. That's kind of what you want to do because it'll just frame your face better. So I'm going to hold this for about 20 seconds. I'm actually aiming to not edit this video as much, so just in case someone wants to, like, you know, watch this video and go along with it, we'll be, you know, doing our hair together. Okay, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm going to drop and I'm going to catch it. Hold for like 5 seconds, 10 seconds or so, and let it fall. And that's your first curl. So now I'm just gonna continue. I'm taking a little bit more this time, so I'm gonna hold this for about 30 seconds. And I usually wrap it first and then start my counting. I don't start my counting until I'm like this. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, oh gosh, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, I mean 30. And now we're gonna let it go. I'm using my camera timer to count. You can just count at your own, you know, pace too, but I find I count a bit faster than the time normally. Because I was watching this and I got into my whole dance routine, I you know, lost track. And you don't want to lose track when your hair is wrapped up in heat. So now you see I have 2 pieces left, so basically what I'm doing is 4 on this side. And again, the more hair you have, or the smaller the barrel, the thicker the pieces that you do, it's gonna either take longer or a lesser time. I actually don't know what time I started. not bad. We're like almost halfway done my hair and I'm at 3 minutes, so that's good compared to the whole 40. I don't think I'm ever gonna get over that. I've never spent that long on my hair, so. And let's drop, whoa. Okay, next. And go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and catch it. Ta-da! Ooh. And there you have 4 of your curls. So now that I'm halfway done my hair, I'm gonna shake this up and spray it. That wasn't working for a second, so I may have put a little too much, but my bad. Next side, we're gonna do the same thing. Okay. First piece, rat hair. You're gonna do the same thing where you're curling away from your face. And once you have it, let's start counting. 1, 2. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Actually, I could have just held this one for 20 seconds. I realized it's very little compared to what I'm about to curl. And there you go. And go. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, and drop. Looks like we've got enough for 2 more, so it looks like today I did about 4 on each side. It's weird, some days it varies. Some days I end up doing like 5 on one side and 4 on the other. Usually that's the case. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, and drop. And I'm gonna let her go. And for the last one. Take this off. Yep, there you go. We're gonna shake this out and spray. And now I can put them together and spray. Hairspray is actually like optional. I know some people don't use it. I like to use it only because my hair will last like 2 or 3 days. So I'm like, oh, maybe if I keep the hairspray in, it'll last longer. If I don't use hairspray, it literally only will be today and tomorrow that I'll have curls in my hair. So usually what I do is I let this sit for a bit. Normally at this point, if I'm doing my hair, I'm probably going somewhere, so I might do my makeup. So hair first and then makeup, just because I'm going to keep it up like this for a little bit, just until it kind of like cools down. Now I know looking at it, you're like, well, it's just like 8 curls in here, but once I take it out, I'm going to shake it apart. So I can probably show you that now because I've already done my makeup and I've got my hairspray in, so let's take it out. This is what it looks like, and then you just start shaking it out. You just put it where your part is normally, or sometimes it just falls on its own. It falls naturally into place. These are my everyday curls. You just kind of like pull it apart and it'll just be more volumized, whatever the word is. That's how you get my curls. I know it looks crazy at the beginning because you have that like unicorn high ponytail in the center of your head, and then you're just doing these curls on each side and it just looks crazy, but this is what you end up with and it's totally worth it. So this is how you get my curls in less than 10 minutes. Can you believe the difference? Like my hair was so straight, now it's like boing. This is nice like everyday curl, I feel. Anyway, that's a biased opinion. Comment below, tell me what you think. Anyways friends, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Hit that like and subscribe button if you did, and I will see you guys next week for a brand new video. Bye.